Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys, you are doing great. All right, guys, in today's video, we are going to demonstrate something that is very, very important because we have updated even our TFX dynamic EA. So here we are going to talk about to demonstrate live in order for you to see the real price action with the combination of SMC concept, guys, advanced SMC concept with price action, the things that you have been trying your best to do it manually, but the EA can do better than you can do because it can analyze from different time frames. It can confirm a lot of stuffs. The EA has the detectors, has the signal generator. And remember, what you're about to see here is the same thing that it will be there in your manual system. So in order, whenever you see what I'm about to demonstrate here, guys, it is very, very, very important to have this information because it makes things easier for you to understand and to catch up with the system and to understand why you'll be a profitable trader. And don't forget, we still have the Christmas offer, so you can contact us so that you can employ yourself instantly and change your financial status. So before we talk more, because I would like the system to talk on our behalf, or I would like to demonstrate so that you can see it live with our back testing. So let's start there. And this is the TFX dynamic EA, the system that I told you guys you can trade anything you want in Forex market. Like for instance, now you can see it is an uptrend because this is a demand zone and this is an uptrend. As you can see, the market is consolidating at this point. And as we all know about the trading, when the market is consolidating at this point, let me give you a simple secret. This is where people try to draw the channel, blah, 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 and to see the patterns. The chart patterns are inside here. This is where you get the chart patterns and ABCD. I'm not going to do all those things, but I'm going to show you the importance of our system because this is what it does because of the detectors and other stuffs that help this system even to generate the signal. So here it is where you can draw your channel line, trading line to see where the market is going. But to be honest, this is a sideways market, or in other words, again, this is a consolidating a market. And this is where you'll find that some people, you'll be drawing here, let's say for instance, let me draw a channel here because it is very, very important for us to analyze this market together. So a channel line can be somewhere there and there. And what someone will be saying here, it's something like this one. So you can buy here, you can sell here, according to what people say, but what markets give is very different. And this is why we have so many instructed with everyone with his own strategies. But let me cover some because this is what you are used of. Some will tell you we are waiting for the market to break this area, something like that. Then market can reverse, then we can sell from that point. Again, the same thing will happen. You're told after drawing the channel, let's say again from this point, and at this point, we are waiting again market either to break this area or to break here. So if the market will break here, we're waiting for the market to go and to retest to mitigate this area, then the market can drop. The same thing here, market can go up. Again, it will mitigate this area. Then that is where we can place our buy. So, and in other words, if the market breaks here, what are we expecting? We are expecting to have a BOS or break of structures. So the break of structures, it is when you confirm with a breakout candle. So in other words, we have a breakout candle that I do believe you know about it. And this is why we say, even if you are a beginner in Forex market, this is the systems that suits you because you don't need to have any of the experience. So we are going to see the breakout candle together with you guys, and the candle will confirm a BOS or the break of structure. all right, after breaking this area. This is so professional, guys, because that is SMC. And when you combine the breakout candle, blah, 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 those are stuff that you should also combine with price action. So the same thing, if the market will break here, we are looking for a breakout candle, then the market can drop. And again, it can mitigate to our extreme area before the market going up. So we are going to see this why we advanced our system, and it is to all our system, because all our system now, you purchase the system, you get the manual for free, because they are now combined manual and the EA. All right. So guys, let's play this game and wait and see what we are talking about advancing the system. So the market is consolidating, guys. All right. I want you to watch it very closely. I will make sure we get like 2 or 3 signal, then we will be done with the system, because this is what we want to see. Now, you can see at this point, we have like a breakout candle at this point, but there is no signal from the system. I'm about to show you why this one is down, but there is no signal, because you can see there is a breakout candle. This is a breakout candle, guys, and having the breakout candle, it is not that strong, all right? It is that weak, but the market dropped without going back. So let's see, because there is something that I want you to see the importance of this video now. Now, you can see we have a blue line here. After breaking this break of structure at this point, we have another blue line here. Whenever the blue line appears, it gives you alert, prepare now. We are waiting for breakout candle now to break our blue line. So you are not going to think whether this is breakout candle or not. All right, because we have a lot of breakout candles, but you cannot tell which one will be profitable. All right, because you can see this is a breakout candle. All right, this is a breakout candle, and after this small internal structure, you can call this again a breakout candle. So if we reverse here again after this consolidation, we can call this breakout candle. All right, and this is the BOS. All right, the breakout candle, it appears where we have the break of structure, and when there is a break of structure, that is when we get, if this is the buy market, that is when we will have our higher low at this point. So we are waiting for the market to break this point, because we all know, as I have demonstrated there or shown you there, if the market breaks this point here with a breakout candle, what are we expecting? We are expecting the market to come. Let's say, for example, we have a good order block. You can watch this candle. We have a good order block at this point. So that is where now we can expect the market to come and give us a buy, or it can drop again to this our engineer area before going to our extreme. So the first target of the buy, it will be with this order block at this point after the BOS here. So we don't enter into the market instantly after the BOS. We wait for the market to come here. That is what now we call advanced SMC, and break like this this week. All right, that is what we call the break or the taken out of inducement. So the moment the market will take out this candle. Why are we saying this candle? Because this candle, the lowest candle or the lower price of this candle is greater than or than this candle. So this is the area and this is the area. But this candle here or this bar here marks our order block. All right, having our order block here, we are saying this because we are already given a blue line here. The blue line indicates where now we are expecting the market to break in order to give us a profitable now a signal after the BOS. All right. So guys, let's continue with this because we haven't seen the breakout candle now. We are waiting for the market to break this area. All right. So let us wait and see how the market, it has drawn another order block at this point. All right. Because of taking out that internal structure or inducement. Again, you can see let us go because it creates inducement after inducement. The market's trying to consolidate to give us the same pattern. The good thing about the market, when you master the market, it gives almost the same thing. So this is why it is good to master your strategy. So what we are seeing here is a consolidation or a sideways market. This is the same thing market is trying to form here. So because we miss a good breakout at this point, because without this blue line, trust me, that one it would have not be profitable. Because of this blue line, because the system is able to detect a lot of things and to analyze from different time frame. And as you can see, we stand on minute 15. This is very important to know. This, you only open your minute 15 and you stick there. And don't forget, we are going to give you the templates with the name. So if it is the USDCHF, you are going to receive the template with USDCHF minute 15. So we are going to work with very few currency pairs that is not beyond 5. 5 are good so that you can bank a good. We can assure you with only 5 pairs, you can multiply your equity. So guys, let's continue. And there we go. Let's wait and see the close of this candle. All right, let me show you a very, very important thing. All right, now, in our blue line here, we have now a breakout candle. I do believe you know about the breakout candle. So having the breakout candle at this point, now we know that now here becomes our higher low because it's an up trade. The second thing, you can mark this candle. Now this one becomes our order block. This is where we are going to get now our order block. So we are expecting, where are we taking all these, the highest and the lowest of this candle. I do believe you know about the order blocks. The other order blocks you can mark, it is this long wick with this candle, right? This long wick here gives us another order block. So this is the order block. You can take this big candle at this point, or you can take the wick, the long wick of this candle. So all these are our order block. And so if you don't want this one, so you can work with only this one, and that is a good order block. You can see, guys, we have another order block at this point. This is another order block. So we're expecting market to come and to mitigate this area to give a signal. If it can come this area again, it gonna give us a signal. And if it comes to our extreme, whereby it is this point, then we're gonna have a clear good signal. And this is why I told you, if they hit our stop loss from this before coming to mitigate here, because the system will detect from other time frame, then it will know if in small time frame like 5 minutes or 1 minute, if the market is going to mitigate the extreme area in minute 5, because here it is just an order block. All right, so but in a small time frame like minute 5 or minute 1, this is an extreme areas. All right, so let's see where, because we see we have an order block here. Just deleted that in order for you guys to see it very clear. All right, another order block is created at that point. Let's wait, because the good thing with the market, it will create another order block, and those order blocks, where they are, that is where we get other inducements. So let's wait and see where the market will give us another, because of this order block. Now we have a buy signal. All right, because now after having the breakout candle, this is now another order block, where now we get another signal. You can see it very clear, guys. This is another inducement. There was another small inducement here, but you cannot tell which one is profitable. But you can see here, we have a good order block here. instantly here there is a good order block. All right, after missing first order blocks, we have another one, because whenever you see a order block, that tells you that is the area where you should be marking a major inducement, because people have been hearing about inducement, but you don't know where exactly to draw your internal structures or inducement. All right, so whenever you find that, this is where you get your order block, and from your order block you can be able to see the inducements. All right, and what are these inducement? It is where the candle, the buy candle, when it drop, when it taken out, it will take out the lowest of the previous candle. That is where you get a good inducement. So we are not after that, but I just wanted you to mark this because you are experienced to order block. You can be able to see that here we have a good order block at this point, and this is why we have a good buy. All right, so it is the work of the system, whether manual or the EA, to give you or to exit from the market after buy. So let's wait and see. You can see it has already taken taken the profit. Why the profit that earlier? The pattern is still continuing. You can see after this break of structure at this point, the market started again to give us the same consolidation, a sideways market. There is no good flow with this market. All right, so this is why people have been messing their account. Yes, there was a breakout candle at this point, and people were preparing to buy here or to buy at this point. According to the system, it bought at this area. But guys, you can see the market is still consolidating. Even if there was a good breakout, a BOS or break of internal structure, you can see there is no a good flow with this market. The same thing we started with here. There was a breakout at this point. People saw like there is a good flow now downtrend. As you can see, some of confirmation of other candles here, they drop, yes, but the market continue going with the sideways. So you can see it is the same pattern. You can see even if we go back, you can see it is the same thing trying to go up again. You can see this is how this market has been moving USDCHF. There is no good flow, but with the system, you can still backing. This is why the system can detect an exit earlier, because this is the highest point in a small time frame. All right, guys. So again, we can play this and see how you can see the market dropped again. All right, we have another BOS here to break this internal structure, but you can see there was a very huge spike. You cannot tell. So someone who was trying to hold this trade, you would have lost there. All right. So this is for the scalping. All right. So let us wait and see again how this thing will give us a signal or alert. So it must give us also a blue line. Here we go. So it tells us again, if it breaks this line again, we can again scalp for another buy, because we still on a buy trade. This is the best thing about this system. But if it were you, you would have been confused about this market. The way you entered the trade, they triggered your stop loss. Also still thinking and planning to buy, the market dropped to this area. You don't know exactly where now to buy. Some will have, you would have said, oh, I think here we have a good order block at this point, and I think I would have targeted this market. You can't tell. This is Forex market. This is why people have been frustrated by trying to master the strategies, but you have been changing this strategy into the other. You have tried SMC, and I told you, SMC works 100%, but you must combine with price action, all right? And you must also have the knowledge of ICT concept. So the combination of the price action and ICT and SMC, trust me, you will know when to buy. So now, With our system, it's very easy, guys. As you can see, it has given us another blue line. That is an indication. So when you are using the dynamic manual EA, whenever you see a blue line, if it is a sell, if the signal is for the sell, you will find a red one or a fire brick, all right, color, red or fire brick color, to alert you now, get ready, the sell signal is about to be given, or the system is about to give the sell signal. So this is why now if you get this blue line, the system is alerting you the buy signal is about to be shared by the system, all right? Or this is the alert, prepare yourself for the buy. So after this line, we are waiting for the market to break this area with a breakout candle, all right? Again, the market is dropping, as you can see, all right? But our area still remain there because it has detected that area from detectors that detect or analyze from other time frames, because even if you are sticking in 15 minutes does not mean it analyze only the things that are happening in minute 15. So we have confirmation from other time frame. So that's why the line still remain relevant until, if that area is not again or relevant again, this means the system or the EA will delete the line automatically, and the line will become invalid because of other changing of characters, the choke in other time frame. That means that now we are not going to concentrate with the buy line. All right, so this is why now we have the buy line there. We are waiting the break of structure or the breakout candle, the candle with the full body. All right, here we go, guys. What is this now? This is another breakout candle. And whenever we have a breakout candle, that's when now we can draw this area as our higher low. There is no change of character. But you can see here, we still had a higher low. People would have to say, oh, there is a change of character now. That is a sell market. This is still a bullish market. It is still a bullish market. Don't think there was a change of character. Now this is a downtrend. Let the system give you the perfect signal. So after this, we have another order block at this point. So let us wait and see where this EA is going to give us a buy. All right. All right, we have an order block at this point. Let's wait. Another creation of order blocks. You can see them here live. You can see them here. So we cannot rely with the old one, because this is when the market creates an inducement, waiting for the market to break inducement so that it can give us buy, or else it will create another inducement until it give us another good buy. So with this order block at this area, you can see it very clear with this candle. I told you it is good to mark this candle. This is where we are going to get our order block. So this is our order block. All right. And this is why we have another good buy. All right. Instantly hitting the area. After opening, the price automatically, the market reversed, and you would have been in profit of $300. Oh my. As simple as that, with a simple candle. You can see the stop loss is here automatically because it can come to this area. So let us wait and see. It is the work of the system to take the profit automatically. And we are in a good profit of 10% with only 3 signals. Can you see for yourself, guys? And now we don't have the blue line. It was already deleted because now it has picked a good signal. But you can see the same thing. The market wants to continue with the same pattern. Breakout, blah, blah, blah. Then again, sideways market or a consolidation market. Can you see that, guys? So there is no loss so far. So let us play this thing and make sure that at least we have one of the sell signal. All right, because let's see when if we can have a sell signal. So guys, bear with me. Take it easy. Let us go step by step and see if we can have a sell signal. All right, we're waiting for the sell signal, and what will alert us is this line. All right, now we have a red line here that tells us now, oh good, give us about this sell, because it is a sell market. So because it has given us a good indicators at this point, now we are waiting to have a BOS, because you can see this is a sideways. It's either a break up or down, but because this is a down trade now, let us see how this system also analyzes the market. It is the same thing, because it is the opposite of the sell. So we are waiting for the market to break this area, or to break this low here with a breakout candle. So if the market breaks this area with a breakout candle, that is when now we'll be targeting to sell this market at this point, or maybe this market again will create some inducement or break some inducement in order to give us a good sell signal, because it must not be this one, because the market can drop again and create other internal structure, because we have learned the character of the USDCHF. It can lie to people, it has broken the structure, but it can continue being a sideways market. Yet even if it is an up trade, somehow it is moving, but slow, slow, slow. Yes, there is a movement of uptrend like here, but not a good movement. All right. So guys, let us not waste time and let us have a breakout candle. Automatically now, this is a breakout candle. So we are waiting for this EA now to come and give us a sell here. All right, because that is where we can see there is an order block at this point. You can see also the long of this week, this is another order block. So there is some of the order blocks that people struggle to monitor. Is this a good order block or what? All right, you don't know exactly. This is why you really need this EA, because the EA can guide you with a profitable order block. So if it fails to have a good signal again, it will continue creating other internal structure. Let us delete this. It will continue having other structures, and finally we have it at this point, the order block. So because of this long week, it is simple as that. Let us see all this together, because the order block, it's very, very important. Some can can draw this as their order block, because it is true, there is a good order block at this point. All right, guys. Some will pick this long week at this area, and that gives you another good order block. But if you see this long week and this area, they are almost giving you the same thing at this area. And if you draw your line from that order block, or the second one, you'll find that that is where we have the signal. Some will set their sell limit at this point. All right. Some would like to know when to sell, but this is the work of the EA, to sell and to set the stop loss. All right. So now let us wait and see how this, and I think because we got the sell system again. Sorry for that. This is the best thing about the system. We were almost to this signal. What do you see at these areas, guys? Because you have been there learning this. This is another order block, this long week. I just want you to check it very clear. This is one of the order block. The other one was this one, or this long week here. Because why this week? Because this week is above this one. So we cannot count this as our reliable order block, because I do believe you have learned about this. This long week here, it is above this week at this point. So we were waiting for the market to take out this area, all right, as what we call taking out of inducement. But you can see there is no liquidity at this point, all right, even if it has taken out with the body. But we do believe when they sweep this area with the wick, That is when they sweep liquidity, or when there is that liquidity, that's when we know this market can drop. From there, guys, you can see we have another order block at this point. So with this long wick, we have another order block here where we call the engineer, because this area now we have another order block here whereby now that one becomes our extreme. So this one will become our extreme. All right, this one will become our extreme. So this is the engineer, this is first order block, this is the engineer, and this is our extreme, where here the market is very, very promising. This is a POI. So let's wait and see if the market will hit our stop loss or what will happen after opening the second signal of our engineer from these order blocks to this one. I'm doing this because I do believe I'm talking to people who knows about the advanced SMC. And since now we have a long week, so we can depend more of this because it has created another long week here. This means this is what we call the sweep of liquidity. So when they have swept out people's stop loss and blah, 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 this is where the system now it's dropping, and it has already closed, given us a profit, because the character of USDCHF, we cannot rely with it going down, because we have seen it can lie to people, there is a break of structure, blah, 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 and the market again, it can revise to up there, because it's all about scalping, and this is a sideways market. Can you see now? Can you see how this market is behaving? But out of that, we can still bank. Why is that possible with this system? It is because it analyzes, it has detectors, it has a lot of stuff that is confirming from other time frames, and also after generating the signal. So you can see, even if you are trading it manually, the signal would be a reliable. That is the good thing. Now, 3 signal without hitting our stop loss, we are good to go. So guys, allow me, because we will do a lot more analysis, more back testing live with you, but we cannot allow me not to go for the whole month, because that's what we have been doing, because maybe the video will be it will be too long. But it is good for you to see live how the system analyzes, in order to understand and grab this opportunity before the end of this month. Remember, the ongoing Christmas offer is there. You have my number or pop-upping on your screen. You can WhatsApp me, guys. Get your copy. When people are wasting their money trying to celebrate Christmas, and I'm not saying it's bad to celebrate, it is good for you to celebrate with financial breakthrough. Before the end of the offer, it is good for you guys to have the system in order to employ yourself. And for those people who already have purchased our system, guys, make sure you contact me to get the updated one. Whether you are using manual or the EA, make sure you get the updated one, so that it can give you alert, and so that you can prepare yourself to buy or to sell whenever you see a blue line or the red one. So we are good to go. We are making things easier for you guys, and to make sure the system becomes more and more base. So that was the analysis of TFX Dynamic EA, the system that is 2-in-1, manual and the EA at the same time. You can use it the way you want. Thank you so much, guys, and once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.